Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can unlock the community center in Stardew Valley. So I just started a new save here. You need to be or have reached at least spring day 5. So currently it's gonna be spring day 7 for me. And once you have reached spring day 5, make sure it is 8 AM. Then all you need to do is to go to the right here of your farm. You will have a road, and once you go to the right again, you will see the mayor Lewis unlock the community center. So basically that's all of the requirements that you need to fill. So it's gotta be after 8 AM and you gotta go to the right. What an eyesore. You will get the cutscene here. So it's gonna be the community center. All right, so I'm just gonna skip it for now. And just like that, you will have unlocked the community center in Stardew Valley. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.